So good evening everybody, it's from Jayashree. I'm going to take this. We have seen the types of oscillators, right? There are two types of oscillators, right? RC phase shift and the Wien bridge, right? So we have seen these types of oscillator in detail and the uniform, right? So first we can see that what do you mean by oscillators? So RC phase shift oscillator is an electronic oscillator circuit which produces sine wave output. Basically, oscillator is used to generate the sine wave, right? It can either be designed by using the transistor or by using an op-amp as an inverting amplifier. Generally, these phase shift oscillators are used as the audio oscillators. In RC phase shift oscillator, 180-degree phase shift is generated by the RC network and another 180-degree phase shift is generated by this op-amp. This is what this circuit. Here the input is connected to the inverting terminal of this oscillators and the non-inverting connected terminal is connected to ground. Okay. This RF feedback is connected to RF resistance is connected as a feedback resistance from output to the input. And this forms the ladder networks. Resistor along with this capacitor, resistor along with this capacitor, resistor along with this capacitor. Okay. So this forms this feedback networks and this forms the amplifier. Like we have already seen that the basic amplifier configuration, right? So amplifier, in the topmost it is amplifier network, in the bottommost it is a feedback networks, right? Similarly here, it is the amplifier networks and this bottom down is nothing but this. Bottom is nothing but this feedback networks. Okay. This RC phase shift produces amplifier networks produce 180-degree phase shift and the feedback network produces 180-degree phase shift. So total it takes 360-degree phase shift. Apart from generating the sine wave output, they are also used to provide the significant control over the phase shifting process. Other usage of RC phase shift oscillators are in audio oscillators, sine wave inverter, voice synthesis, GPS units and musical instruments. The network produces 180-degree phase shift and the feedback network produces 180-degree phase shift. So total it takes 360-degree phase shift. So this RC phase shift is also defined as the sinusoidal voltage signal at the output with the help of an inverting amplifier, and the feedback network is also known as RC phase shift oscillator. When we use op-amp for RC phase shift oscillator, it functions as an inverting amplifier. Initially, the input wave has been into the RC network, due to which we can get 180-degree phase shift. And this output of the RC is fed back into the inverting terminal of an op-amp. Now, as we know that op-amp will produce 180-degree of the phase shift when it function as an inverting amplifier and 360-degree phase shift as an output sine wave. This RC phase shift oscillator using op-amp provides a constant frequency under the varying load conditions. So why use the op-amp in RC phase shift oscillator instead of transistor? There are some limitations using the transistor for building RC phase shift oscillator. It is stable for low frequencies. RC phase shift oscillator requires additional circuitry to stabilize the amplitude of the waveform, and frequency accuracy is not perfect and it is not immune to noise interference. Adverse loading effect. Due to cascade formation, the second pole input impedance changes the resistor resistance properties of the first pole filter. Most the filters cascaded, more the situation, it will affect the accuracy of calculated phase shift oscillator. This is what the RC phase shift oscillator output. This RC phase shift oscillator forms the ladder networks. Here the capacitor connected and this resistance are connected vertically. Similarly, the first C1 and R1 repeats the 2 times. This is what the RC ladder networks. This feedback network is connected to this output and each node gives a particular output. In the first node it gives the square wave. In the second node it gives a triangular wave. In the third node it gives the square wave. At last it gives the sinusoidal wave. So whatever output we want, we can generate the waveform by using this oscillator. Which is a very important and applications of this oscillator. And RC phase shift oscillator is mainly used in biomedical applications, and also it is used in this op-amp instead of transistors. This is the main purpose of this RC phase shift oscillators. Let us see the detailed RC phase shift oscillator and Weinberg oscillator in the next class. So thank you all.